Hey, Chris Calhoun here at Butler County Community College. We are at the Public Safety Complex doing our ICE Rescue and Emergency Response Instructor course. We just started to get into the iteration.
Oh! Get out of that hole. Get out of that water. Get out of there. That's it. Keep holding on. How you doing here? Just around. Kick, right? You're gonna kick. Signal. Kick. Put your arm up on top of the ice. Okay.
Bernie Studs, Frederick County, Maryland.
Next.
Mark Adamitis, Butler County, Pennsylvania.
And last but not least,
Bill Murray, City of Fairfax, Virginia.
outstanding. So we have Virginia, Pennsylvania, and Maryland here. So what did you think of the training today?
I thought the training was fantastic. I think the Fish and Boat Commission does a really good job of not only teaching new people, but as well as instructors.
And Mark, you're the local individual here, not only in Pennsylvania, but for Butler County. What's some of the things that you think that you're going to be able to do now that you're completing this that'll help our team out here in Butler County?
Now that I'm an instructor, I can go back with the other instructors and teach more guys on our team, ice rescue and emergency response. It'll help out our team in the entire area.
And last but not least, Virginia. Boy, you traveled a long way to get here.
Sure.
Hopefully you found that the facilities and everything were at your liking. What did you think about the training?
I thought the training was fantastic. The facilities here were perfect. Everything was in walking distance to where we had to go. Learned a lot of new cool techniques we can take back to Virginia and hopefully enhance our ice rescue response back home.
Gentlemen, it has been a pleasure having you here at Butler County Community College taking the Pennsylvania Fish and Boat Commission Ice Rescue Instructor course. Go back, share the information, save lives, and keep our first responders safe.
Thank you.
Thank you.